All right, it's December 1st. I want to do a recap on our trades today. The first one we did, we took puts in Amazon. And I kind of wanted to show you the setup here. It's easy to talk about it and someone show you the trade after the fact, like a Monday quarterback. You know, that can explain all the plays that you should have done on that Sunday. But when you're doing it live, it's a totally different world because you don't see all these candles going down. All you see is one candle. All right, so the market started off at a very, very positive upward thrust. So the Dow was up 300 when we started, and you see this tick was extreme in the 1500s. And when you see this, there's a good probability that we're going to come back into zero. So we had that in a play for us. You could see also, this doesn't do justice for it, but this was turning red and coming down, and this wasn't holding. The SPY was just kind of staying the same, and it was trying to build momentum. So we had this in our direction. Amazon did not hold the pre-market high. So you can kind of see it didn't really hold these numbers of that 3190, 3188. So we took puts downward. Stop was right at the top here. What's nice about this is you can kind of see that this turned out to be a really amazing trade because that's a $20 move. Now, if you only got 10 or 12 or 15 on the option or 20, if you had a 66 delta, you had 3 contracts, you picked up $7 or $8 within the option move, you made yourself, a quick 2100, as Bo did, as you'll see. If you had a position that was 5 or 10, well, it's all irrelevant. It's just, you just times it whatever you had. But this is one of the trades we did. There's a live video on this. But I wanted to explain the reason I took this, and it just didn't hold. And if you look at your watch list, Tesla was coming down also. So if you take a look at some of these other trades, you can see that in the morning we had on the watch list that some of these trades just weren't holding. So the market was actually coming down, breaking. So what you got is a momentum play down. It doesn't mean it didn't come back up and retrace back up in the afternoon. You can see, if you're looking at Amazon, you can kind of see the same thing on these charts here. This is just a 10-minute chart. In the afternoon, it took back off of a nice star, but you can see the momentum downward. Okay, we had an anomaly. Facebook was going up, Roku was going down. Zoom was doing the same thing, coming down, and NVIDIA was coming down. But this just shows you some examples also of how we look at trading. So very profitable trade this morning. We end up taking a few of these other trades down again. There was a second trade on another video that we took this trade down again off the top. It touched the top. We took the trade down for another, got it off that 180 again in that area. Took it down for another $6, $7. This is another trade we took that was upward off the star. You can see it was holding the bottom, creating a bottom here, and establishing, they call this a wedge, a downward wedge. But it's very positive because what it's doing, it's creating a bottom, and it's holding a support of a key level of one of the yesterday's highs. Okay, as you see here, it's holding those levels and then popping back up. That's for another day. All right, have a great day. Bye.